Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jen here from Millennial Nextdoor. Thanks so much for stopping by. In this video, we're going to go over my 8 income streams and talk a little bit about how I make money on YouTube and other places. Let's get into it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I put out new videos just like this one. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so 8 income streams. It might sound like a lot, and I think it is, but personally, I've seen many more income streams than that, up to the dozens of income streams, believe it or not. Let's get into it. First, let's take a look at YouTube, and I'll be putting out a YouTube first paycheck video very soon. I got monetized recently, and so I'm gonna kind of unveil the curtain and talk about my earnings on YouTube as a small YouTuber. I have almost 4,000 subscribers, and I'll dive into that soon. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, so here we are on the back end of my YouTube analytics. You can see over the last 28 days, I've made nearly $50. Let's refresh this and look at lifetime. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so lifetime I made $130 and I got monetized probably about 2 months ago or so, I believe. Yeah, so I got monetized about 2 months ago. Now, what drives how much you make on YouTube is going to be your CPM, which stands for cost per mil or cost per thousand. So basically, as a YouTuber, you get paid by the number of views that you get. It's not by the number of subscribers or any other metric. It's based on views. So the amount that you can earn per views is going to vary based on your niche, and other things go to it as well, I'm sure. I have some videos that earn a CPM of as much as $90, while others earn $2 CPM. So it's really a mix. It can vary on everyone's channel. On every single video, it can be different. And you'll find this to be the case across other YouTubers as well. So while this amount you may think is pretty low, I'm still super proud of it, and I think that it will definitely grow over time. And as I'm new as being a monetized YouTuber, I'm constantly learning and tweaking my videos and trying to make them amazing for you guys. So this is the first income stream. Okay, all right, so the next income stream is Square, and I actually classify it as Square. Square is an invoicing tool. So if you're a freelancer, independent contractor, or business, and you need to invoice someone else, you can use Square. You can also use PayPal or other tools, but I tend to gravitate towards Square. So I will bill through Square for sometimes my website sales, usually my independent contractor work. So if I'm freelancing for someone doing some copywriting or graphic design work, then I'll use Square. And that's my second income stream. It's free to sign up. There are tons of awesome built-in features that you'll love. They even give you a free Square reader. They have Square Capital. There's tons and tons of awesome perks to joining. So if you're a freelancer, you may consider using Square for your billing and invoicing. Income stream number 3 is through Flippa, and Flippa is a marketplace where you can buy or sell websites, domains, apps. You can see some of the listings here. If you don't know, I do website flipping on the side. I do it off and on as much or as little as I want to. It's really been inconsistent, if I'm being honest, as I'm diving into other new exciting projects that are really drawing from my passions. So Flippa is a marketplace that I commonly use to sell my websites that I flip. So website flipping is pretty straightforward. You build or buy a website, you improve it to increase the value. You can improve it by adding content, improving the SEO, monetizing it better, growing the email list. There's many ways that you can improve the value. And then when the time is right, you flip it for a profit. So to give you an example, with my flips, I typically build a site, and it takes me about $50 investment for that. And then I improve the site. And because I know how to do all the improvements myself, that costs me zero. If you were to outsource this work, you'll look at costs like copywriting, perhaps web design, and other miscellaneous costs. And then I flip it for profit. Now, the amount that I actually make on the site and it's based on a ton of different things, like the age of the site, the SEO profile, if it's income producing or not, and if it is, how much it's making, the amount of traffic, the size of the email list. Many things go into factoring the actual value. But for an example, if your total investment was, say, $100 and you spent 6 months improving the site, you grew the income and the traffic, you can potentially sell it for $3,000 on a site like Flippa. And that's exactly how website flipping works. I love flipping because it comes with a ton of perks like flexibility, you get to be the boss, you get really unlimited income potential. And you can make this a business for yourself. You can do it on the side or you can do it full time. In this example, imagine if you scaled this and you did it full time. So instead of one site, maybe you did 5 sites and you made $3,000 each on them, making a total of $15,000. Or maybe you did 20 sites or 50 sites or 100 sites. I see tons of sellers on Flippa do just this. They are selling literally dozens and dozens of websites at the same time. And you don't even necessarily need to hold the site for as long as 6 months. I've sold sites within 45 days for over $7,000. I've sold sites at 2 months old. I've sold sites at 2 years old and everything in between. You make the rules. So that's my little spiel on website flipping. You can tell I'm pretty passionate about it. My first flip netted me nearly 6 figures, and after that, I was definitely sold. So that is the next income stream, Flippa. All right, so income stream number 4 is through courses. So I teach a number of digital courses on everything from social media marketing. I teach website flipping. I teach about mindset and productivity. And Teachable is one of the places where I sell my courses. So I receive income from that. What's great about this is that it's totally passive income. I created these courses years ago. I do very little marketing on them currently, and I make money every single month. So I have courses on Teachable. I also have courses on Udemy, and Udemy is a marketplace for courses. So you can go on here and search something like watercolor painting and find various courses on that. It's great because it's like a hub for a bunch of different digital courses. So if you're a course junkie like me, you're going to love a marketplace like Udemy. And so I have a few courses on here as well that I get income from. So that is revenue stream number 4. Revenue stream number 5 is affiliate marketing. So I use affiliate marketing in various places, including my multiple blogs. I use them on my social media accounts, like on TikTok. I use them in the description box of YouTube, and it makes me money every month. Affiliate marketing is pretty easy, and a lot of big affiliates make a full-time income and more just from sharing products that they love. So you can join a network like ShareSale for free. They have hundreds and hundreds of different affiliate programs that you can join. Start referring your customers or your audience to those products, and once they buy, you earn a commission. Income stream number 6 is sponsorships. Okay, so here I am in my school on Teachable, Gen Leach School, And I actually teach about sponsorships, and I have some tools and resources for you, like this Pro Pitch script template, which gives you these email templates that you can use when you approach brands for sponsorships. I got into sponsorships years ago and I absolutely love them. It's a great way to connect with cool brands and get paid to talk about them to your audience on social media, your blog, anywhere you are online. Sometimes you get free products, sometimes you get paid, or both. I've gotten free travel, lots of amazing perks with sponsorships. So I still receive sponsorship income. Brands approach me and they pay me to talk about them on my platform. So that's another way that I get paid. Okay, income stream number 7 is ad income. This is different from the YouTube income that I shared at the start of the video. So I earn from Google AdSense on my blog, and I also earn ad income from TikTok. There is something called the TikTok Creator Fund. So TikTok actually pays their creators for producing content. So here's a little bit about the Creator Fund. You may have already heard of it. If you go to your profile on TikTok, you can check out the requirements and see if you're eligible. And then if you are, you can choose to join the Creator Fund. So I get ad income from this, and then also ad income from Google AdSense. Okay, and then lastly, income stream number 8 is e-commerce. So this is a new store that I launched recently called Jen Leach Co. And I really designed it to help businesses. I saw a lot of businesses ask questions about starting their business, what licenses and permits do they need, how to create a website, what platform to go to, how to do packaging. And so I created this e-commerce store loaded with printables and video training to help business owners succeed in their business. So I have things on here about Pinterest. I have the small business bundle, which is one of my favorites, which has some awesome resources and printables you can print out to keep your business organized. I teach you how to do social media marketing, all kinds of stuff. So this is another income stream, and I'll be starting a drop shipping store soon, I think. And if I do, I'll definitely document it and share it here on YouTube. I got my start in drop shipping, and it was actually what helped me create my first successful business and quit my day job. So I'm going to kind of go back to my roots and dive into it. I've been thinking about it off and on for a long time, and I have created drop shipping stores successfully since that first store, which I ended up selling usually. But this one I may hold on to, so we'll see. And if dropshipping is something you want to learn more about, drop a comment below and let me know, and I'll definitely film some video content for you on it. Okay, so this is the 8th and final income stream, and those are my 8 income streams. What do you think? Do you have multiple income streams too? Comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear how you earn money and your multiple streams of income. That wraps up this video, guys. I really appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.